Hey, you need to go out.
Right now, yeah, I'm just taking a second clip. Now, so this is the whole area. This is my children. It's a pity during the day you can't see it clearly, but hopefully you can see. Yeah, this is the it's a premier two-bedroom suite. Premier two-bedroom suite. It's a five-star hotel. It's a five-star hotel. This is the TV. Five-star hotel. The premier two-bedroom. Right. So I put in there. There's my PC. I'm just waiting for these guys to come and connect for me. My internet. Connect my PC. As you can see, everything there. Right. And then, yeah, right. So let's see outside. Outside. The sun outside. This is outside. As you can see, it's during the day. It's during the day. It's during the day. It's during the day. These are the buildings. It's during the day, guys. Everyone is, as you can see there, cars. People are going to work. As you can see there, people are going to work. We just checked in now, so I'm not sure how it is at night, but you'll see that Bangkok nicely with lights at night. So, yeah. Anyway, this is another apartment. This is another building. I think this is they call it Escort. I'm not sure whether it's a hotel or what. I see there's a swimming pool down there. Right, we are on the 26th floor. 26th floor. This is our balcony. Balcony, right? Balcony. Okay. And as you can see there, we are very far. We are very far. Very, very far. Right? So, so we'll sit here during the day and relax and, feel ourselves. Feel ourselves. These kids just arrived. Put their things everywhere. As you can see. Yeah. Anyway, these are our bags. We just arrived. These are our bags, our suitcases. This is my suitcase. There's my wife's suitcase. There's Lavdina's suitcase. There's Junior's suitcase. That's Eva's suitcase. Right. So here we put our groceries because we were in another hotel. Right.